Hey everybody, Dean Searles here. On today's episode of 60 Seconds with ARC, the challenge is responding to an emergency, and the solution is coming up next. Emergencies can develop suddenly and escalate quickly. Take, for example, a common issue, a broken water line that's dumping water in your building, like this. With every second, the damage is spreading and the costs are rising. Would you be wasting precious time searching for the right shutoff? You know, there's a better way, and it's as easy as using a map on your phone. Let me show you how we do it. Start by launching the ARC Facilities app. Now tap on a building. Tap the Shutoffs button. The floor plan indicates where the shutoffs are located. Tapping an icon instantly loads the shutoff details, and I'm done. Hey, now that you've seen how easy it is to locate shutoffs, you might want to try it for yourself. You can download the app and learn more at arcfacilities.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.